How to change your former name on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your former name on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click the settings icon in the top corner and go down. Here you will find account settings, click on it and then just click personal information and then name, and now click add a nickname, and here go to name type and click on it and select former name and here just add your former name, and after you add it just click save, and and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.